Do you want to know how ICT traders should be using the Asian range in order to get an edge up to 78%? In this video, I'm going to share with you the secret to the ICT daily bias, how it applies to gold, and how you can then very quickly see the edge for index futures, currencies, energies, whatever asset you trade. Now, this is the Asia session, which I've marked out. It starts at 1900, so 7 p.m. It finishes at 4 p.m. Okay. The day starts at 1800 and it finishes at 1700 when this 15-minute candle ends. So what is the edge? I wanted to know, if we have a breakout of the Asia range, does that predict how the daily candle will close? I.e., can I get the daily bias from the Asia range? So specifically, I tested using 3 years worth of data. When the first 15-minute candle closes above or below Asia, does that lead to an edge? And I'm going to share those stats with you now. So this is Edgeful. Edgeful contains dozens of reports which allows you to find or refine your trading edge. I'm going to show you the answer for gold. If you would like to check the answer for index futures such as NASDAQ or ES or even energy such as crude, there's a link to a free 7-day trial in the description to this video. So here's the Asia range again. We wanted to test once we have a breakout, which means on the 15-minute time frame, when the first 15-minute candle closes above or below, does that predict whether the daily candle will close bullish or bearish? Okay, and here are the stats, and it's incredible. So this is a futures report. It's the Asia range breakout using 3 years worth of data. So look at this. When the first 15-minute candle closes above the Asia range, 78% of the time we have a green daily candle. That is an incredible way to know your daily bias. That is unbelievable. Okay. When the first 15-minute candle closes below the Asia range, we have a 79% chance we'll have a red daily candle. Okay, that is it. That's your daily bias right there. Mark out the Asia range as I showed you, 7 p.m. to 4 a.m. Once that 15-minute candle closes above or below the Asia range, you have your daily bias for gold. Now, if you would like to know the stats for the other index futures, just click on the 7-day free trial in the description of this video. If you would like to know exactly how I trade my golden bullet strategy, which I use for index futures, currencies, crypto, metals, and energies, there's a link to my mentorship below.